welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. The palette that I went in with is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette, and this is how it looks on the outside. And when you open it up, it does have a lot of neutral transition shades and really beautiful foiled shades as well. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And the first shade that I went in with is this really light beige blush tone shade, and it's the shade She's Lit, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions as my transition shade. Next I went in with the shade Mocktail, which is a really beautiful burnt orange terracotta shade. And I actually wet my brush, and this is something I've been doing a lot recently. I feel like a lot of people think that you can only wet your brush when you're using a foiled type of eyeshadow, and I find that when I wet my matte shades, it just makes them glide on almost like a liner, and I always go in immediately after to blend it out, and it does make it a little bit more challenging to blend out when you do it that way, but I find that you just get the most color payoff and you don't have to go back in and add more definition. It's just like a one-time thing. You add definition and then you blend it and that's it. Where normally I would go back in, add more definition, and then blend it, and then go back in, add more definition. So for the lid, I'm going in with these two foiled pink shades, mixing them together, applying that all over my lid, and then I went in with this Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed body glitter in the shade Avenue of the Stars. I don't know if this glitter is still available, but you can definitely use a gold pink type of glitter. And I just packed that all over my lid. And for lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check them out. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I left my waterline bare and I went in with the She's Lit shade once again. And I just applied that to the very outer corner of my lower lash line. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!